Hey guys, Joe here, back at it again with another video. Today I am going to show everyone my special recipe on how to make scrambled eggs. So here we go. So for step one, you're just going to take your eggs. I'm going to roll with 2 today because it's just me and I'm not that hungry. Just kind of smack them, pop out the egg into the bowl. Oh, I just realized you guys can't actually see, but there it is. Look at that. Delicious already. The next step is to prepare the frying pan, so let's just... That's hot. Alright, and I just like to, I'll keep it on a lower temperature for right now. And let me just grab some more ingredients and we'll be right back. Alright, so as you see, we've got our pan, we've got all our ingredients. My mom always tells me to spray the pan first, so let's just, with some ham. Now, I'm gonna rub it with a little bit of butter. So as you can see, that's doing something. And then, up next is the eggs. So we're just gonna throw them in. And now for the spices. A little bit of sea salt. A sprinkle of ground cinnamon, and don't worry. Oh, oops. That's fine, because everyone is going to get to know each other in the pot. So, I'm just kind of adding, a bay leaf, what's garlic powder? Alright, whatever you say. Everyone is going to get to know each other in the pot. What is this? Basil? Okay. A little bit of sugar. And you guys can already see it's really heating up. Let me grab a little something extra. This is just for me, because this is my breakfast, of course, and it's my day off. So let's put some chocolate. Alright. Time to stir everything up. This looks really good. Let's scramble it. Wow. Have you guys seen a more delicious looking item of food? I know I haven't. Look, it's that leaf I put in there. Alright, now it's time for the preparation phase. I've got a plate here, and I'm just gonna remove. Alright guys, so I hope everyone knows, but that recipe was a joke. I'm obviously not going to be eating that monstrosity for breakfast. Instead I'll be enjoying a more healthy option, a nice fresh berry. I love a good strawberry. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope everyone knew I was just kidding. That's not how you make scrambled eggs. Maybe if I get a lot of likes and comments on this video and I get some new subscribers, maybe I'll be able to make a real scrambled egg tutorial if that's what you guys want. So, without further ado, that's me. Those are fake scrambled eggs. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.